Hey y'all, today I decided to make something. I'm gonna put a fire extinguisher in my Bronco, and instead of buying one of those high dollar damn mounts that you see on some of the sites, I built one. It's gonna go right there. Yeah, just about like that. I'm gonna paint it up, and I'll show you what I got going on. I mean, I already had scrap iron metal laying around. I got this pretty good little I don't know what size that is. I don't see it. Anyway, it's a dry chem. It's good for anything you might run across on the road. Got it at Lowe's for about 23 bucks. So a relatively cheap upgrade. Anyway, I'll after I get painted up and start putting it in, I'll follow up. Okay, let's paint it up. I was going to paint it black or try to get the same color blue. But you know, I figure if anything happened where I said, go grab the extinguisher in the back of the Bronco, that red will stand out and make it easier to find. That's the bracket that came with the extinguisher. It's mounted on there. And I'm trying not to drop it. And it'll go just like that. So, yeah, I just gave it a touch-up paint, and I'm gonna mount it here in just a minute. So, I'll show you all the end result. Yeah, that hole got away from me there. I don't know what I was doing. I actually drew the damn hole, drilled the hole considerably farther out than I was supposed to. But you know what? There'll be a flat washer over it anyway, so it's fine, you know. Just a quick thing here is I took a 1.5 by 1.5 angle. I had some scrap 1-inch wide flat bar that I welded to it. 1.5 flat bar would have been better, and I wouldn't have had to make this tab. Yeah, but I mean, it's fine. It's what I had laying in my scrap pile. Yeah. Anyway, I'll show you the finished product here in a minute. Okay, well, that didn't come out half bad. It's mounted just for reference on the other side. Screw it, bolt, threaded spot there, and here. So it ain't going anywhere. And yep, there's the last bolt up underneath there. Yeah. Anyway, a little bit of scrap iron, a little bit of spare time. Half-used can of spray paint that I already had. So, 23 bucks. It's a 2-pound, by the way, 2-pound fire extinguisher. Anyway, it seems to be, for the most part, it's out of the way. Yep. Questions, comments, anything like that, y'all know the drill. Take her easy. Yeah, I just thought I'd throw this in here. I figured I'd put some light on it so you could actually see it. Let me see if I can get in here without falling down. There's that one bolt that I was talking about. Just as a side note, I had to put a few washers, stainless steel washers back there, just to fill in as a spacer. Yep. So that's it. With some light on it, and you can actually see the damn thing, huh? Alright. Take her easy.